Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't find it on your Google Play Store on NUBIA Red Magic 5S. So in order to fix that, let's open our Google Play Store and first try to find Call of Duty. So as you can see, there's no game right here, and in order to fix that we need to go back, press on our profile icon, then go for the settings, family, parental controls, and from here there's two ways you can fix that. First one is to simply disable parental controls, enter your PIN like that and then press OK. The second way is to go for apps and games, enter your PIN and increase PEGI to 18 or allow all included unrated. Press save, go back, and now let's try Call of Duty again, and as you can see the game is visible, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.